Thank you for listening to UC San Diego's LGBT Resource Center's Rainbow Audio Newsletter for Fall 2018, Week 1. This week's quote is, "It is better to be hated for what one is than to be loved for what one is not," by Andre Gide. Some upcoming events is our volunteer orientation and training. That's going to be on Monday, October 8th. This event is at the LGBT Resource Center in the conference room from 4 to 5:30. So if you want to be more involved with the LGBTQIA plus community on campus, please come by to our volunteer training and orientation to learn more about opportunities for leadership and involvement. Also, we have our peer education program that is starting up. We're creating a community roster of LGBTQIA plus student leaders on campus to keep the community better updated of resources and opportunities. You have the option for your information to remain internal for the LGBT Resource Center professional staff to be able to contact you regarding these opportunities, or for it to be public. For any questions, please contact Maribel Gomez at mpgomez@ucsd.edu. We're also having a trans, non-binary, and genderqueer community welcome dinner that's happening on Thursday, October 11th from 5 to 7 p.m. at the Women's Center. This is a great opportunity to connect with the community and kick off the new school year, and this is open to students, staff, and faculty. If you're looking to get involved in any student orgs or affiliates, you can find more information on our website, but for our newsletter, we have just our affiliates, and our affiliates are the Black Queer Collective that hosts different events throughout the quarter. You can find more information on their Facebook page. We also have Board Gamers that meets from Mondays from 4 to 5:30 p.m. in the conference room of the LGBT Resource Center. There's no experience required. They just play board games and video games together and build community. We also have a new student org that's going to be every other Wednesday from 5 to 6 p.m. in the conference room of the LGBT Resource Center. It's called Love is Light, and it aims to create a welcoming and comforting social environment for LGBTQIA students of all spiritual backgrounds. As inclusion is the founding principle, allies and non-religious LGBTQIA plus students are welcome. The group will affirm students' identities as part of the LGBT spiritual community and promote compassion, tolerance, and self-care through mental, spiritual, and physical wellness. We also have UC San Diego's Multi-Identity Art Collective that meets Fridays from 4:30 to 7 at the LGBT Resource Center. This is an intersectional art group geared toward no one in particular because they take everyone. Humans of all artistic skill levels, specialties, and identities are welcome to join. OSTEM, which stands for Out in STEM, is held on odd Thursdays from 6:30 to 8:30 in the conference room of the LGBT Resource Center. Out in Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics is a national LGBTQ affirming organization that aims to provide services and support for students in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and to create a dynamic network between students and professionals in the industry and academia. For more information, you can check out their Facebook page. Another student org that we have is QTPOC, which stands for Queer and Trans People of Color. It's a student org that creates a safe space for dialogue, education, and socialization around LGBTQ plus identified people of color. They meet on odd Thursdays from 6:30 to 8:30 in the conference room of the Cross Cultural Center. And for more information, you can contact qtpocucsd@gmail.com. Thank you for listening to this week's edition of our Rainbow Audio Newsletter.